You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this South Korean K-pop girl band. Many people kind of wonder. And there are two different pronunciations, although there's only really one in English. In Korean, locally, they say hyper, because the V is not easy for Koreans, I believe. But in English, it's just simply supposed to be pronounced IVE, with a V sound. So the I is pronounced like an I, and the V is pronounced like a V, IVE. So it's not IV, it's not EV, it's not IVE, IVE. Simply how to pronounce English pronunciation, IVE. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.